Hello everyone, welcome to our bottleneck factory. Today, our team is going to demonstrate the concept of a bottleneck through the process of preparing exam papers for dispatch. Every exam paper must pass through 5 workstations before it is ready. Station 1, Collection and Quality Check. Here, the exam papers are collected, counted, and checked to ensure that every page is correctly printed and free from errors. Station 2, School Seal Authentication. After the quality check, each exam paper receives the official school seal for authentication. This confirms that the paper is approved for examination use. Station 3, Folding and Punching. The authenticated exam papers are carefully folded and punched according to the required procedure. Station 4, Packing. The folded and punched papers are counted and packed into bundles of 20 sheets. Station 5, Dispatch. Finally, the bundles are placed in cotton boxes and made ready for dispatch to the examination centers. Every station is connected to the next. If one station works slower than the other, the entire process slows down. Now, let's identify the bottleneck. Let's observe what is happening. Station 1 has 2 workers, but they have already finished and are waiting. Station 2 also has more workers than required. But look at Station 3. Only one worker is trying to fold and punch every paper. The papers are piling up here. Stations 4 and 5 cannot continue because they are waiting for Station 3. So what is the real problem? Is everyone working hard? Yes. Then why is not production moving? Because our manpower is not balanced. Some stations have more workers than they need, while the busiest station has too few workers. This creates a bottleneck. One employee from Station 1 moves to Station 3. One will fold, the other will punch. Now, every station has the right number of workers. Let's restart the production. Station 3 clears the backlog quickly. Papers move continuously. Stations 4 and 5 work without waiting. All stations finish almost together. Earlier, some stations had excess staff, while the busiest station had too few. By redistributing the workers, we removed the bottleneck. Remember, a bottleneck is not always caused by slow workers. It is often caused by poor allocation of resources. Right people, right station, right balance. Thank you.